Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change theme on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the chat theme on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. And over here guys, in order to change our chat theme, first we'll be required to go to the messenger of Instagram. To do that, tap on the top right corner of the screen where is the messenger icon, and over here you will be able to find all of your chats. So tap on the box or chat box of the person of which you want to change the theme. So after you land on this page guys, at the top of the screen there is their name. Tap on it, and over here guys you can see the theme option available for us just above the chat controls. Tap on theme and you will be able to go through a lot of themes available over here given or supported. Choose one of your themes and then go back. That theme will be available on your Instagram. And there guys, this is how to change theme on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.